This method of preparing tofu has recently gained popularity. The aroma is amazing, and the whole family will love it. You will need the following ingredients: 1 large tomato, warm water, cured tofu, leek, 3 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, dried red peppers, 1 tablespoon salt, a bit of sugar, chicken essence granules, a bit of oyster sauce, light soy sauce, cornstarch, water, 3 tablespoons oil, chopped green onions. Let's start. Take a large tomato and make a cross cut. Then place it in a bowl and pour boiling water over it to loosen the skin. This makes it easy to peel off the skin. Use a knife to make cross cuts, and then chop into small cubes. Set aside on a plate. Prepare a small portion of black fungus, which is often used in salads, tofu dishes, and stews. It has a crunchy texture and absorbs the flavors of the ingredients it is cooked with. Place it in a basin and pour warm water to rehydrate. While the black fungus is soaking, cut the cured tofu into square pieces, not too small, set aside. Now, chop the leek as shown in the video. Slice 3 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Cut the dried red peppers as shown in the video. Set all these ingredients aside on a separate plate. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, a bit of sugar, some chicken essence granules, or any you have, a bit of oyster sauce, a dash of light soy sauce, and enough water to dilute. Mix well with a spoon. In another bowl, dilute a tablespoon of cornstarch in water and set aside. Now, bring a large pot of water to a boil and add all the tofu pieces. Gently stir with a large spoon to blanch the tofu in the boiling water to prevent sticking. Do this for 30 seconds. Add the black fungus to the boiling water to blanch for another 30 seconds, then remove everything from the water. Heat another large pan with 3 tablespoons of oil and add the previously chopped ingredients and tomatoes. Stir to make the sauce. After 1 minute, add the tofu and black fungus and pour in the previously prepared sauce. Let it boil and cook for 3 minutes. Before it thickens, add the cornstarch water twice to thicken the broth. This helps the sauce adhere to the tofu, enhancing the flavor. Keep cooking until it reaches a thick consistency. Finally, add a handful of chopped green onions before serving. The final result is as tasty as it is beautiful on the plate. Enjoy your meal. See you next time.